at you. Hi, baby. Hi, Meredith. Hi. Oh, that's a burp for the baby. That's a burp for the baby. Hi, baby girl. Hi. How are you? Hi. Hello. Hi, honey. It's okay. Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Yeah, how you doing, huh? Yeah, it's okay. Oh, coughing, it's okay. Yeah. Oh, that's a good girl. Yeah, that's a good baby. Hi, Meredith. Yeah. Hey. How are ya? Hi. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Hi. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Oh, Meredith, you're such a good baby. Hi, honey. Yeah. You're so good. You're doing so good, honey. Yeah, lift up that head. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, lift up that head. Lift up that head. Yeah. Uh-huh. Hi, honey. Yeah. And all the drooling. All the drooling. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. Hi, honey. Hi. Yeah, that's a good girl. That's a good girl. Yeah. It's okay. You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Yes, you are. Meredith. Hey, Meredith. Yeah. Yeah, hey there. Hi, girl. Hi, baby. Meredith. Yeah, look at you lifting that head up. Look at you. Yeah. Yeah. You're doing so good. Yeah. Hey, Meredith. Yeah. Yeah. Being on your tummy isn't that bad, huh? Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Hey. Meredith. Meredith. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, look at you. Look at you. You're so good. Yeah, that's a good baby. That's a good baby. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Meredith. That's good. Yeah. Yeah, you're so good. You're doing so good. Yeah. Yeah. Look at you with all that drool. With all that slobber. I see you. Yeah. Oh, you're doing so good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Yes, yeah, that's a baby. That's a good baby. Yeah, yay! Yay! Yay, Meredith! Yay, Meredith! Okay, okay, that was good.